We are Ausfield Training Solutions, and we are committed to bring the excellence of international nurses into the Australian healthcare system. Our team of experienced professionals focuses on enhancing healthcare standards, providing comprehensive training and education services tailored to your unique needs. Here at APTS, we understand the importance of bridging the global perspective of international nurses to the Australian standard of practice. With a profound passion for education and commitment to excellence, we are ready to be your trusted name in providing nursing training solutions. It's no secret that we Filipinos are one of the best nurses in the world, and it's our role to help you realize your best potential into the global scene. Ausfield is founded by and composed of a team of seasoned nursing professionals who recognize the need for tailor-made training solutions in the dynamic healthcare landscape. We will help in the smooth integration of international nurses into the Australian healthcare system. Our mission includes providing expert guidance on the outcome-based assessment Stream B transition process and ensuring the internationally qualified nurses are well prepared for the challenges of working as an EU nurse. APTS is here to offer you these services: nurse-led programs, OBA Stream B transition, where our specialized programs will provide comprehensive guidance on the OBA Stream B transition process, objective structured clinical exam or OSCE preparation, where we focus on practical skills, communication, and adaptation to the Australian healthcare environment, cultural competency training, customized training, CPT programs for continued learning of healthcare innovations. Why choose APTS? We have expertise, tailored solutions, innovation, global perspective, community management that are all specifically made ready to help our international nurses. The best part is that not only is our main office in Australia, but we are also easily accessible in the Philippines with our offices at Tarlac, Cavite, and soon in Metro Manila. So if you're ready to start your journey to becoming an Australian registered nurse, and if you want to join us in our road to success, don't hesitate to contact us through these details. For more information about our services, like and follow our page, Ausfield Training OSCE.